how's going? It's Sudha here. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about variable. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and click on the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First of all, what is variable? Variable is actually named memory location that is used to store programs input data and its computational result during execution. So guys, value for variable can be changed during the execution of a program, but the name of the variable cannot be changed during the execution of a program. So actually variable is stored in memory. So guys, here take an example. Here we declare a variable marks, so it's stored in memory. It also occupies some address, and then marks is actually name of variable and 10 is actually content of variable. So guys, here the question, how we can declare in our program? So it's really so simple. We just use data types as we require in double float, or then variable name and then terminator. So how we can initialize them? How we can initialize value to the variable? So guys, it's really so simple. Just use data type, variable name and assign them value. It's mostly used to assign a constant value to the constant. And here take an example. First open the cplusplus, and here click on file, new, and then source file. Here guys, hash include iostream. These are compiled directive, hash include conio.h, and then using namespace std. It's actually syntax to write a program int main, and here body of the main start and close, get ch, and then terminate this, return 0. Here the syntax is complete, and here we declare 4 variables and 2 variables is used to assign the value, and here int a, b, and then to add them and subtract them and store value here in these variables. So guys, this one is actually declaration. This one is declaration. So here use data type, that is int, and then variable name. So here more than one variables are used, so these are separate by comma. Here assign the value to the variable. So simple, just a and then equal, assign value that you want, and then b is equal to 5 here that you want. So guys, here use add variable to store the value of addition a plus b, and then terminator. So terminator are used at the end of all statement, and then subtract is equal to a minus b and terminator. And here to show them on the screen, use cout and then message. Here add is equal to, and then here insertion operator again, and then use variable that having the value, answer value. So here a plus b, add them 10 and 5, and then assign the value to add. So here use add variable, then cout, insertion operator, and then message that show on the screen. So guys, here sub, because this one variable having value of a minus b, and then terminate this. Now save this program file and then save c2. Here file name, save this program. Now execute this, compile and run. Here you guys, you get the output add is equal to 15 and sub is equal to 5. here you want sub is equal to 5 show in the next line. So guys, here we used just and L. So and L is basically used for the new line, and L and then terminates, means at end line. And save this again and compile and run. So guys, here you see it shows in the on the next line sub is equal to 5. So here understand the program. Here guys, program always start from the main function. So guys, here it declare 4 variable in the memory a, b, add, sub that have the data types int, and then control move to the next statement and assign the value a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5, and then it is control move to the next statement and then add these value 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 is assigned to add, and here control move to the next statement, sub is equal to a minus b. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, that is assigned to sub. So 15 is assigned to add and 5 is assigned to sub. Here control move to the next statement and read cout add is equal to, so this one message show on the screen add, and then add it's having value 15, so add is equal to 15 show on the screen, and then end line. So cursor move to the next line and print sub is equal to, and then the sub variable having 5 value, so 5 is print on the screen. I think this small video will really help you guys. If you like the video, then click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah